guys and welcome back to my channel. It's my dad's birthday today, so that's why there's like a lot of food in the kitchen. So today's video is like a little, I don't really know what today's video is. This video is so stupid. Today I will be making iced coffee. Tell me something new. I'm going to be trying a new like iced coffee recipe. Well, it's not a recipe and it's not new. This is something that already existed, but I have like a certain way how I always make my iced coffee, and now I'm gonna try something else. So I'm curious to see how that will go. Okay, so my mom once read on the internet that soy milk is not really healthy or something, or like it's not good for you. I don't know what it was. So I was gonna try to find a way to make iced coffee without vanilla soy milk. My like supermarket didn't have like a good like vanilla syrup, so that's why I don't know. So then I saw this, and it's this vanilla latte thing. I've never had this before, and I literally don't know how to use this. I thought I'd try it and make this into a little video because I've come to the conclusion that I really like spontaneous and random vlogs, because this gives you a little insight in my life, and that's just fun. I'm probably not doing this the way I'm supposed to do this. Like, this says it contains milk, but probably okay, I'll just do it with water. I don't want to ruin the whole recipe. We're gonna set some hot water. Hot water secured. We need a glass. That's the water boiling. Where? I'm so confused. I'm gonna have to call my mom because I don't know where she put the glasses. She didn't pick up. I look absolutely terrible today, but that's okay. I have like a study day, so I'm gonna make this coffee and then I'm gonna do stuff for school. Yeah, it doesn't say how much water I need to add, which is, it does say 150 milliliters of water. Okay, I have no idea where my glasses are. Like the glasses that I always use. They're literally nowhere to be found. I'm gonna make it in this mug and then pour it into the other cup with the ice cubes. So first we're gonna pour this into the cup. I am honestly scared because I'm scared that it will like taste like water because you add water instead of milk, you know? Oh. Smells like coffee. 150 milliliters. What's 150? There's no line for 150, so I have to like guess. Okay, I would say this is 100. No. Okay, I would say this is 150. I will go get the ice cubes and then I'll get back. Hello. I never know how many ice cubes I need, so I just got 4. Now I'm gonna put the water into this cup. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh my god. It smells like caramel. I don't think this is gonna work out. I need to stir this for 20 seconds. Well, this is going very great. Okay, that is 20 seconds. I don't think this is made for iced coffee, and it really does smell like caramel. Okay, should I just try? This is really hot probably, but it doesn't even really like taste like coffee. We're gonna pour it into this with the ice cubes. That's so weird. Guys, I'm so sorry that I don't have a metal straw yet. That's why I have a plastic straw. I'm so sorry. I have a bad feeling about this. Ow! Ow! My muscles are so sore. I'm really curious. Oh, it's already cold because of the ice cubes. There's like a lot of like cream. I don't think this was my greatest idea. I'm scared. If this isn't good, we'll just go back to soy milk, but I just wanted to try something else. I just need like a good vanilla syrup so I can just have milk, syrup, and coffee instead of soy milk, you know? But I can't find like a good replacement for the vanilla, so that sucks. Okay, we're gonna go and try this. I'm so scared. honestly, it's really weird because I wouldn't say that it's like really bad, but it kind of tastes like water, and it does taste like caramel, which is really confusing to me because vanilla is not caramel. I mean, it does kind of taste like a latte, but then a little bit watery, like too much water, but like there's just no vanilla. Like I don't taste vanilla. I taste just a latte and a little bit of caramel, which makes no sense to me. I don't like the fact that it's like too much water. This video makes no sense, but I just wanted to share this experience with you guys because I don't know. It's like, I don't know. I wouldn't specifically say that this is a fail because it's not that bad, but it's not good either. Like I wouldn't prefer this over my usual iced coffee. I just want one that tastes exactly like the one from Dunkin' Donuts. That's what I want. I just need a good replacement for the vanilla and then I'm fine, because I can just use milk and coffee, but I just don't have the vanilla. Today is a Monday and I need to study. Also, I have a question. Okay, if you haven't watched Gossip Girl, this can be a spoiler. So if you don't want a spoiler, please skip to here. I'll put it on the screen when I'm not talking about this anymore. So yeah, skip to that point if you don't want the spoiler. To the people who have watched Gossip Girl, what do you guys think about the part where Dan and Blair are like a couple? Because I think it's really cute, but literally everyone I speak to is like, no, it's disgusting, Dan and Blair suck. I actually found it really cute. Like I know that Blair belongs with Chuck, because everyone knows that the second you start watching Gossip Girl. But like, Dan and Blair, they were cute. Like why does everyone hate so much on them? Like it's not like Serena hasn't had like 20,000 boyfriends, you know? I just don't get why everyone's hating on them. They were really cute. Like Dan was really sweet to Blair. Let me know your opinion on Dan and Blair in the comments. Thanks. I finished rewatching Gossip Girl this morning, so that's why I was thinking about it. Let's go back to normal. I'm gonna go back to studying now, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little random video, which didn't turn out as great as I thought it would, but it also wasn't as big as a failure as I thought it would, because I mean, it's not too bad, but it's not too good either. So let's go find another recipe and try that. So if you have any vanilla iced latte recipes or something, let me know, because I would love to try it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.